Good day everyone. So let's talk about sustainability in roofing. So for the sustainability in roofing, there are two things that you need to consider. First, roof can last longer up to 20 years or more, depends on the material used. Second, the cost and energy saving. In cost, we know that the more expensive the material, the more efficient it is, but worth it. In energy saving, the color is essential. Why? Like in light colored roof, which can reflect half or more of the solar radiation striking its surface, which is ideal for summertime. While in dark hue roof, this can reflect up to 5% or less, but when it coated with specially formulated cold color pigment, then the reflection can increase and can reduce cooling energy costs for building and can extend the life of it.
In hot climates or inland with dense concentration of pavement, buildings, and other surfaces that absorb and retain heat, it is vital to have roofing systems that have higher solar reflectance and higher thermal emittance. This is where reflective roofs, shading a layer above a roof with a freely ventilated space between, and flat plate solar heat collectors comes in. This helps reduce the absorption of solar heat that can decrease the elevation of air temperatures in densely built areas, that helps decrease the production of associated air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, and it reduces building heating costs or arrays of photovoltaic cells to provide electrical power, and it also helps to prevent heat-related illnesses.
Insulation reduces heating and cooling costs by providing resistance to heat flow. It prevents extra heat from entering and keeping it at a comfortable temperature. In buildings, thermal insulation can play an important role since high demands for thermal comfort result in a huge quantity of energy being needed for full heating of all rooms. There are many types of insulation, but the most commonly used is PE foam insulation that is made from polyethylene foam that has a property of being flexible and has a closed cell, so it will not absorb any liquids.
Sustainability in low-slope roofs. For bituminous roofing, they apply asphaltic compounds which are generated from coal and petroleum. This roofing procedure involving hot asphalt and pitch emits many unpleasant and potentially harmful gases. However, these emissions diminish once the roof has cooled. On the other hand, the entire membrane roofs that are manufactured in factory-controlled conditions can be installed as a single ply. It is usually white, making them very heat-reflective and energy efficient. Low-slope roofs can be turned into green roofs by covering the membrane with soil and plants. These roofs' living components consume carbon dioxide, produce oxygen, protect the membrane and the inhabited space below from temperature extremes, cool the roof surface through evaporation and transpiration, delay the passage of stormwater into sewers and reduce its volume, and provide a pleasant roofscape.
Sustainability as stiff roof materials. In here, we have two classifications of shingles. First, the asphalt shingles that consist mostly of petroleum, and secondly, the wood shingles wherein the environmental impact of this is much same as other wood product. Fact about proprietary shingles is that these are almost entirely made out of recycled tires and other recycled materials.